Okay, so now we are moving to question number 5. The sales head wants to know which customers bring in the most money. Share the list of top 10 customers by total revenue contribution. So we need to retrieve top 10 customers by total revenue contribution. Let's look at the schema to understand which tables we are going to need for that query. We need all these 4 tables for our query. From customers table, we will retrieve customer ID and their name. And from order details table, we need quantity. And from products table, we need a price column. So price and quantity will give us a total revenue. We cannot join a customer table with the order details and products directly. So first, what we are going to do is we will join customer table with orders table using order customer ID, and then orders table with order details table using order ID, and then order details table with products table using products ID. So this is how we will access all tables from customers table. So let's start writing the query. I'm going to start with the select statement. I will select the customer ID and customer name from customers table. So if you look at the customer table, it has a customer ID and customer name. I'm going to use C as short name or alias for customers table. So customer ID and customer name. For total revenue, I'm going to use sum of quantity with price. This will give us a total revenue for each customer ID. Some function will ensure that we get total revenue for each customer. So sum of now in order details table, we have quantity column. Let's look at it. This is the quantity column from order details table. In products table, we have a price column. So we will multiply quantity with prices. So this will give us total revenue. So order details dot quantity. OD is a short name for order details table. That quantity multiply by products dot price. P is a short name for products table. Let's name it as total revenue. We are selecting these result from customer table, so we'll write as from customers alias C. Now the joining part, we are gonna join customers with orders table, and then with order details table, and we'll connect order details table with products table. So we cannot directly access order details table from customers table. We have to go through orders table, right? So let's write it. Join orders alias O on customers dot customer ID should be equal to this is the customer ID, right? Should be equal to orders dot customer ID. Next, we are going to join orders with the order details table using order ID. That's the connection between both tables using order ID. So we'll write as join order details OD as short name on orders dot order ID. Orders dot order ID should be equal to order details dot order ID. Now again, we are going to join order details table with products table using a product ID. Then we'll be able to access price column. So join products alias P on order details dot product ID should be equal to products dot product ID. So we need total revenue for each customer. So we have to use group by clause. So we are going to group it by both customer ID and name. So copy customer ID and name and paste it there. You can also use 1 and 2, the number of columns instead. Let's run this part to see what it returns. Then we will move forward. So Select all and click execute. Now you can see it returns a customer ID, name, and their total revenue. However, we need top 10 customers by total revenue contribution. So for that, we first will order it by total revenue in descending order. This will ensure that we get the highest revenue rows first or customers first. So order by total revenue descending. Let's run this part to see what changes the order by clause made. You can see the highest total revenue customers or rows are showing first. Now, what we are going to do is to select only the top 10 customers by highest revenue. For that, we have to use limit and we'll limit the result only to 10. Let's run the query to see what it returns. Now you can see customer ID, name, and their total revenue. But this time, it's showing only the top 10 customer with highest revenue. The query is finally completed. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next one.